And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, the clouds will be thickening up tonight. It'll take some time to kind of moisten things up, but as more warmer air comes in, more moist air comes in, we'll tend to develop some haze and some patchy fog and at least some patchy drizzle, especially tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening, with winds out of the south and a high tomorrow bouncing up into the upper 40s. 48 at Greater Lafayette, 48 Monticello, 47 Logansport, but 50 at Attica, and we'll get up to 51 at Covington and Petersburg. Now Thursday, it's rainy. It's a steady rain right through the morning hours, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder, and then it begins to mix with wet snow, and it may end as some wet snow during the evening. So it's 42 in the morning, then temperature is falling. In fact, we're down to 33 by 5. A lot of wind on Thursday, gusts 34 to 42 miles an hour, and you can see later on in the day the wind sustained up around 20 or 21, and temperatures at 5 p.m. after 40 to 46 in the morning, they'll be 32 to 36 at 5. Let's dig into Futurecast, and you'll notice once again the modeling wants the lower atmosphere to be too moist. I mean, today it had a lot of low clouds around, and you looked outside, it was a mostly sunny day. We had a lot of dry air at the low levels, and even tonight at 2 o'clock in the morning, look what it's doing. The data is trying to bring drizzle, very low clouds, and fog as early as midnight or 2 o'clock in the morning. That's way too early. It's going to take some time to get the moisture into the area. So it's going to be really tomorrow, I think, afternoon, evening, when we get some of this drizzle and a little better chance of this misty rain and some fog coming in. This is noon and this is 5 p.m. And then it's a solid, steady rain coming in later tomorrow night and then right into Thursday. Maybe even a rumble or two of thunder. But watch the mix. All right, here we are at 1:30. This is all rain. The wind has gone to the north at that point. And you can see the pink is mix and the blue is some of the wet snow. And there we are at 4 p.m. Rain snow mix and some areas of all wet snow. You can see we're transitioning to all wet snow around 5:30, 5, 6 o'clock, and then a scattering of some snow showers Thursday night, and some of these will linger into Friday as well. It's not out of the question. Some areas may have, like your roof, your car top, grassy areas whitened a little bit, but that would tend to be where a lot of the accumulation is. It's elevated and grassy surfaces, and then it's pretty tranquil. In fact, after a little cool down, we start to warm back up, though we start to cloud up again, and eventually another round of rain. This whole area to our southwest will fill in with rain. That impacts us by Monday of next week. Now, this particular computer model, this is the European, it's got pretty sharp gradient in the rainfall with this system, from 1/4 of an inch in the northwest to more than 1.5 inches in Montgomery County. I think a good bet, let's just go for a 1/2 to 1 inch with this, with the heavier totals in our southeastern counties. 70 forecast, normal high is 33. Will be normal on Friday for the high with 33. A few scattered snow showers, some sun, and 36 Saturday. Mid-40s on Sunday. Here comes the rain and the wind on Monday, and rainy and windy on Tuesday as well, but mild. Still mild Wednesday, and then more rain later next week with warm weather, highs in the 50s, and then turning sharply colder down the road. Once we get past the 22nd, sharply colder and better opportunities for accumulating snow.